Hey guys, what's up? It's Jessica from JMC Consulting. So in my last two videos, I talked separately about a mission statement and what it is, and I talked about core values and what they are. Today, I kind of want to just run through why they're important and how you can use them. So a mission statement is, again, like I said, a short, concise way to convey who you are as a company, what your reason for being is, and you want it to be kind of inspirational. The core values, you want to pick 3 to 5 that are really truly meaningful to you, to your company beliefs, to your company philosophy, what's important for you to convey to others. So together, they really are essentially creating your business identity. And that's really important and really valuable, especially in this day and age, because people want to do business or buy products or buy service or collaborate with those whose business identities align with their own. So really having a strong handle on who you are as a company, what you're about, what you represent, you want to have a strong handle on that. And the mission statement and your core values help you do that. In addition to that, they also help you move forward in your growth and expansion. So are you growing? Are you expanding? Are you adding a team member? Are you, maybe bringing in more revenue? Are you making changes to your policies or procedures? Look back at your core values and your mission statement to make sure that whatever changes you're making align with what your belief system is, what your aspirations are. If you're bringing on a new team member when you're interviewing, maybe ask them, have you looked at my core values, our core values? What do those mean to you? Because you really want to move forward with people, especially that align with you and your company and what your business philosophy is. So your mission statement and your core values will help you in your path forward as you continue to grow, as you make changes, as you make business decisions, and as you bring on team members. Okay, great. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.